Hello guys, so I have this account here on the screen which says account is suspended. Now, once your account is suspended and you don't take good care, your account is going to get banned. Now, suspended is partial, so you can go ahead and verify your account to get it back. But once you don't get to know this and you continue doing everything on Monetag, your account is going to get banned. So let me show you guys some of the activities or some of the ways you don't have to do to gain traffic into your Monetag in order not for your account to get banned. So don't waste your time to create revenue or traffic into your Monetag account. Meanwhile, these same things are going to get your account suspended. So let's go ahead and let me show you guys what you do not have to do whenever you are generating impression or traffic into your Monetag account. If today happens to be a first time coming across any video of mine, it first date here, please go ahead, click on the subscription button to subscribe to this particular YouTube account right now here. Like every video of yours or every video of mine, give a nice comment too as well, and don't forget to check under the description. There is a link there, tap on it, join my Telegram and my WhatsApp page. Both the link can be found there, and I give a lot of updates at that sector. So join me quickly out there and let's make some cool cash together. So let me show you what you have to do. So if you don't have an account for Monetag, or today happens to be your first time knowing Monetag, it is an advertising platform. You can earn money by generating traffics into your account. So how you can make money or how you can generate traffics being legal way which does not goes beyond the ethics of Monetag, you are good to go. So let me show you how it is done. So if you don't know, just sign up an account by clicking on sign up an account here and then go through the process. If you don't know anything, check in my videos. I have a full video on how you can create an account on Monetag for yourself. It's very easy and very simple. No investment, nothing aside that. Okay, so once your account is set up, being created, all you have to do here is to open your Monetag account. So this is my Monetag account. So you can see it says your account has been suspended. So this is the account I'll be using for tutorials, which is my demo account. Okay, so it says your account has been suspended. So please contact support by support@monetag.com. All right, so I'll show you everything you have to know, and in case you are also facing these problems, you can know how to fix these problems. Now you can see I have 6 USDT right now here. I cannot withdraw this money because my account is suspended, although some of the payment method has an option or a minimum withdrawal of 5 USDT, but I can't go ahead and withdraw this amount of money from my account. So all you have to do here is to check out things you don't have to do. Right, first thing that you don't have to do right now here is for you to go to the payment aspect. Now this is the payment aspect here. Now what most people used to do here is that whenever people choose PayPal as their preferred method of payment, they get to share their payment options. Okay, so what do I mean? What I literally mean here is that whenever people choose PayPal as a preferred option, now I have my address for my PayPal or my email for my PayPal. Okay, so in case a friend of mine want to use my address or my email for cashing out their money, I'll send them my address too as well. So you can see one address, about 3 people are using this same address, which is very wrong. Okay, so one address, about 3 or 4 people are using this same address. So this is the PayPal here. You can see minimum payout from 85 USDT. Okay, so you can see that you can get to know this same account, most people are using it to, or this same PayPal account or a PayPal address, about 3 or 4 people are using the same thing. That is not fair. So Monetag is going to ban your account if they get to know that you guys are using the same account. Okay, so you have to note that as the first thing. Now let's scroll down and see here that at first there was no cryptocurrencies. Now there is cryptocurrencies in addition to the payment option. So for safety, go ahead and choose cryptocurrencies. Now once you click on that, it's going to ask you to input in your address. Okay, so whether USDT TRC, USDT ERC, or Bitcoin, go ahead, input in your address here. Now there are a lot of them. You have the CoinPaid or similar platform like Binance, Trust Wallets, OKX, and many more. So go ahead and deposit your address at this sector here and then save it. So whenever you want to make a withdrawal, just go ahead and click it out and take your money. So this is the safest way I can tell you to withdraw your money. People from Nigeria, people from South Africa, India, and Pakistan watching this video, Ghana and others, go ahead and use this method. I think it's the best way for you guys. Okay, so let me talk about the second thing right now here. Now, the second thing I am actually going to talk about is what we call the auto spamming of browsers. Now, what do we mean by auto spamming of browsers? It is an automatic opening of multiple web browsers instead of or tapping often through scripts or any bad software. All right. In the context of fraud, it can be used to generate fake traffic, creating the illusion of litigation users' engagement to multiply or mutilate advertising matters or to perform click fraud. Now, what do I really mean by this? Now, we have some people, that is what we call self-clicking. In simple terms, this is what we call self-clicking. Now, there are a lot of people making videos on self-clicking. Now, it's very risky. Self-clicking is very risky. It's gonna get your account banned. What people used to do is they will get to go to the extension aspect here and then try to find any Google extension like URL extension. Now they will use this URL extension and then generate their direct link and insert it in the URL extension. This extension is going to multiply your link in web browsers. Okay, so in case you use Chrome, you may see that your link have been opened in different tabs, about 1,000 tabs on the browser. So you can see that you'll be generating some little revenue into your account. That is fraud activity, and Monetag is going to ban your account or suspend your account with that issue. So please and please again, let's go ahead and take note of that, how we can go or how we can use these traffic sources. So please and please, if you are kind of using URL extension to generate revenue and you are still doing it, be aware that Monetag is going to suspend your account in few days ahead. So it's best for you guys to stop that and then go ahead with a good option. Now let's talk about something else, or the second one I can talk about. The second one I can talk about is running spiders or bots. All right, running spiders or bots. Now we have so many bots, most especially on Telegrams. So Telegram has gotten a lot of bots out there and a lot of bots outside. So whenever you try to use a bot to make different things, whenever you try to use a bot to make money on Monetag, it's actually going to detect. So spiders or bots are automated programs that navigate the web and perform tasks such as grabbing data or generating traffic. In a fraud activity, these bots can be used to create fake impressions. Okay, so this bot that we are using can be used to create fake impressions. So there is the need for you to put an end to that. No bot using, no self-clicking. These are two best things you have to avoid to help you as well. So let's go to the third one, like the fraudulent activities or fraudulent impression. Now, people use fraud activities or different bad ways to generate revenue into their account or impressions into their account. This kind of impression created by both fake traffic or any situation where the impression does not reflect a real user interaction with ads. Okay, so if you are advertiser, if you are a publisher, make sure any impression you are generating into your Monetag account is from a real source, not from a fake source, because being it a fake source is going to affect your Monetag account, and at the end you might get to know that whatever you've done is waste. You spend your time, you spend your energy and a lot of stuff creating fake traffics into your Monetag account. So there is the need for you to put an end to that. So let's go to the fourth one, which I would call it framing an ad banner. Now, framing an ad banner, this is where the problem lies. Now, whenever I make a video and I want to promote a link, I don't literally promote a link for raw. What I used to do is to just embed the link in anything, any context, something like a landing page, something like a contest, like something like an article. I embed the link inside so that people can get to read the article, and ahead of it, they will click the link to generate a lot of money into my account. That is the best thing. Okay, now when you say framing an ad banner, it's simply about a technique of embedding within a web page using a frame or in-frame. Fraudsters may use these techniques to deceive users into clicking on ads that they did not intend to interact with, potentially resulting in illegal revenue generating to the fraud whilst So this is very bad, guys. So framing an ad banner is not the best thing we should do. So whenever we are promoting a link as an advertiser or a publisher, please go by the appropriate way. Mostly I use propeller ads, that's good. Mostly I use CPA grip, that's good. So go through the right process in order not to get your account banned. So you have the invisible in frame. The invisible in frame is a hidden HTML, okay? A hidden HTML element that can load content from another source without the user's idea, okay? So this can be used to generate impression or clicks without users being aware, okay? So please and please again, no need for you guys to use anything like this in generating sources or traffics into your Monetag account. It's going to get banned. Now, whenever you find your account being suspended, just like mine right now here, as you can see, it is suspended right now here. What do we have to do? Simply, all you have to do is that your account has been suspended. For more information, please contact that and that. So once you use this email here, you are going to write to them, my account is blocked and or my account is suspended. Please, what are the reasons or how can I retrieve my account back? They are actually going to help you go through the process with your email, okay? So you're going to type that on email. Now once you started doing that, you can see I have gone through the 3 process. Now I went through the additional information required, and then that's the 3rd step, and I completed the first and the second one, and it was correct. They accepted everything. So this is the 3rd one, which is verify my identity. Now once I click on verify my identity, they are going to tell me to please read carefully what's pending and that, take a screenshot of whatever and whatever, and insert it on this page for them, okay? So this is how it's actually going to look for you. So you can go ahead and then talk with them on email so that they can help you retrieve your account back. This is necessary. So don't waste your time. Make good resources to your, or make good revenues, impressions into your Monetag account. Don't waste time. Make good money and continue to follow this particular channel right now here. In my next video, I'm going to show you the best way you can generate real revenue into your account. So I'll show you my real account next week, and probably I might withdraw something and show you guys how the withdrawal process is going to be. So stay tuned and kindly like this video, leave a nice comment. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both the link can be found under the description of this particular video. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Henry and I am out.